This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the heroes in Clash of Clans. Heroes are incredibly powerful units that significantly boost your village's offensive and defensive capabilities. You'll encounter your first hero, the Barbarian King, relatively early in your journey. To unlock him, you'll need to reach Town Hall level 7 and gather 10,000 Dark Elixir. He's a game changer, so prioritize getting him as soon as possible to strengthen your attacks and defenses. After the Barbarian King, your next major hero acquisition will be the Archer Queen. She becomes available once your Town Hall reaches level 9, requiring 40,000 Dark Elixir. Both the King and Queen are crucial for high-level attacks and defense. Upgrading them consistently is vital, as their abilities and hit points increase with each level, making your army much stronger in battles. As you progress further, you'll unlock the Grand Warden at Town Hall level 11, costing 6 million elixir. He provides a powerful aura that protects your troops. Finally, the Royal Champion joins your ranks at Town Hall level 13, requiring 120,000 Dark Elixir. Her Seeking Shield ability is incredibly effective for clearing defenses. Each hero brings unique strategic advantages to your battles. Upgrading your heroes is a continuous process and absolutely essential for success. You'll primarily use Dark Elixir for the King, Queen, and Royal Champion, and regular Elixir for the Grand Warden. Utilize magic items like Books of Heroes or Hammers of Heroes to instantly complete upgrades, saving valuable time. Consistent hero upgrades ensure your army remains competitive and powerful against tougher opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.